नमस्कार दोस्तों, लेट अस कवर द मैप ऑफ यूरोप. Let us start from United Kingdom. United Kingdom, you will see Northern Ireland at the left hand of United Kingdom and Ireland. There has been issue over the border in Ireland. Let us move towards the France. You will see France has a capital Paris, and there is an English channel between both country UK as well as France. Then you will find Bay of Biscayne here, the France. You will have Spain here, then Portugal. The capital of Spain is Madrid, capital of Portugal is Lisbon. The first Portuguese who came to India was mentioned in the comment section. Then you will have Gibraltar here. Gibraltar is the territory of UK. You must have to remember. Then Morocco, Rabat, Algeria, Tunisia as well as Libya. These are the African countries. Above them there is a Mediterranean and Balearic Island. Balearic Island belong to Spain. Then you will find Italy. Italy, the capital of Italy is Rome. Then you will find Vatican City here. Vatican City is also a different country. As well as you will find Monaco here. In the France, it is also a separate country. Then you will also find Andorra. It is also a separate country. You must have to remember all these three. Then Sardinia. Sardinia is a island belong to Italy. You will also have Sicily here. Important. You will find volcano in the Sicily. Let us see other nations as well. Switzerland has been landlocked. Then above Switzerland you will find Germany. Then you will have Netherlands here. The capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. Belgium, Brussels. As well as you will have Denmark here. Capital is Copenhagen. Then Norway, the capital is Oslo. Sweden, the capital is Stockholm. Then Finland, the capital is Helsinki. NSF. You must have to remember these three countries. Then you will find Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. These three are the Baltic countries. Then you have Belarus, Poland, Ukraine. Ukraine capital Kyiv. Belarus has Minsk capital. Poland has Warsaw. Then these are the Eastern European country we will cover in next video. Thank you.